The girlies love a good bag. Yes, indeed. Ha ha ha. Y'all, I had to get things cleaned up around here because it was a little stuff out of place in the second level of the house, which is my dad's room, my room, bathroom, and the main bathroom. So I cleaned up, did some mopping or whatever, folded up some clothes. I have one more load. We're gonna go see my dad in a little bit because he is in the hospital, but I'm about to get dressed and I'm trying something new with my vlogs or whatever. A day in the life with me, La. So yeah, I'm changing up because I'm in my new girl era and things is about to get real, okay? Now, y'all seen y'all four-legged nephew, Gilbert? Y'all, he was all in the way. Like, I had to put him on time out. Like, he laying down right now. I'm like, dude, get out the way. All right, but anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. I hope you guys have a great day and we'll talk. Bye. So I just finished doing my hair. I think it looks really cute. These little hairs right here is when I used to have some baby hair right there. And yeah, it just shows right there. And I didn't want no baby hairs. I mean, I only got enough baby hairs on my own hair. But yeah, so I'm gonna have to fix that. But it's just something, doing something different, y'all. So I hope y'all like it. It's super cute. But all right, y'all. Talk to you later. I just finished making the shells. We're gonna eat the tacos a little later. I'm gonna lay down because I have a headache, you guys. So I'm gonna get some relaxation, and yeah, I'm gonna get some relaxation because I am tired, and I'm about to pull this wig off, y'all. I'm about to pull it off and I'm about to go relax. But I didn't go see my dad because he told me I didn't need to come up there. The doctors haven't came, and they'll call me anyway. So I'm gonna relax. I have a very bad headache, so I'll talk to you guys later on, and I'm gonna finish cleaning up this kitchen, and then I'm gonna go lay myself down. All right, y'all. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.